Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. We're taking a look at MapMyFitness, a platform found at www.mapmyfitness.com that helps you track and analyze your workouts. This versatile tool allows you to monitor a wide variety of activities, from running and cycling to walking and even gym workouts. Using GPS tracking, MapMyFitness accurately records your route, distance, pace, and calorie expenditure. You can also manually log activities if you prefer. One of the strengths of MapMyFitness lies in its comprehensive data analysis. It provides detailed insights into your performance trends, allowing you to identify areas for improvement and celebrate your progress. The platform boasts a social component, enabling you to connect with friends, share your workouts, and join challenges for added motivation. This can be a great way to stay accountable and engaged with your fitness goals. Beyond simply recording your activities, MapMyFitness offers features like route planning. You can discover new routes based on your preferences, explore popular paths in your area, or even create custom routes. This functionality is especially helpful for runners and cyclists who enjoy exploring different terrains. Integration with various wearable devices and other fitness apps expands the platform's utility, offering a seamless experience for tracking your progress across multiple platforms. MapMyFitness also provides nutritional tracking tools, allowing you to log your food intake and monitor your calorie consumption. This feature helps you understand the relationship between your diet and exercise, facilitating a more holistic approach to health and fitness. While the free version offers a robust set of features, a premium subscription unlocks additional benefits like personalized training plans, advanced analytics, and ad-free usage. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just beginning your fitness journey, MapMyFitness provides valuable tools and resources to help you achieve your goals. So, head over to www.mapmyfitness.com and start tracking your fitness journey today.